Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna, or as you popularly know me as English Wali Ma'am. So आज हमारा ये जो चैप्टर हम ने लास्ट 2 डेज में पढ़ा है हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट उसका थर्ड सेशन है जिसमें वी आर गोइंग टू बी सॉल्विंग द questions that are given in the text from the text, and of course I'm going to give you some extra questions also from the chapter, along with the fact that we are going to underline important extracts from this particular chapter. So let's get started. All right, so we are on page number 36. Let us start solving the questions. It says, why was the young seagull afraid to fly? That's first part of the question. Do you think all young birds are afraid to make their first flight, or are some birds more timid than the others? Do you think a human baby also finds it a challenge to take its first step? तो जो पहला पार्ट है, why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Of course, because he had this fear of falling and hurting himself, and as the line in the chapter goes, that he thought that his wings would not support him. Of course, we know that not all, but probably some birds are always afraid to take their first flight, and the same goes for the human baby also, that even they are scared to take their first step. Second question, the sight of the food maddened him. What does this suggest? What compelled the young seagull to finally fly? So of course we know that the young seagull was very hungry. He felt that weakness also, that he really wanted to eat something, and it was his hunger that compelled him to fly. Third question, they were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. Why did the seagull's father and mother threaten him and cajole him to fly? Cajole meaning to persuade someone, to convince someone. So जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें पूछा गया, जो सीगल के पेरेंट्स थे वो उसको क्यों बार बार बोल रहे थे that you should take your first flight. Why? Because seagull, one, that he was very stubborn. हमने character traits में भी ये term पढ़ा था. He was very stubborn, he was very reluctant to fly, and even the parents could see that it is his reluctance and it is his fear जिसकी वजह से he is unable to take his first flight. तो वो चाहते थे कि वो अपनी stubbornness छोड़े, वो जो fear है उसको overcome करे, and the seagull is able to make his first flight. Fourth question, have you ever had a similar experience where your parents encouraged you to do something that you were too scared to try? Discuss this in partner groups. Again, this is a personal experience or a real life experience based question. You can answer this on your own. Fifth question, in the case of a bird flying, it seems a natural act and a foregone conclusion that it should succeed. In the examples you have given in the answer to the previous question, was your success guaranteed, or was it important for you to try regardless of a possibility or failure? तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है इसमें ये पूछा गया है आपसे कि जब आपने कोई नई स्किल ट्राई करी तो क्या उसमें सक्सेस गारंटेड थी या नहीं, या आपने वो रिस्क लिया टू सी दैट whether you going to succeed in this or whether you going to fail in this. So again, it's a real life example that you need to give. All right, but इसमें कुछ की पॉइंट्स जो आप डाल सकते हो, you can write some quotations like try till you succeed. In quotations के basis पर you can probably build your answer. ऑलराइट, सो अब चलते हैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड. फर्स्ट, लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. So first is, how was the young seagull unlike his siblings? So his siblings had already learned to fly, they were already celebrating their victory, but this young seagull was very reluctant, he was very fearful. सेकेंड, हाउ डिड द सीगल्स मदर टर्न हिज हंगर इनटू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी? इसमें आपने वो पूरा इंसिडेंट एक्सप्लेन करना है, दैट हाउ हिज मदर शी कैरिड अ पीस ऑफ फिश एंड शी केम वेरी नियर टू हिम, बट देन शी बिकेम मोशनलेस, ही जस्ट स्टॉप्ड. ऑलराइट, पेज नंबर 35 पे जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है उसको आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है. Third, there was a phenomenal contrast between the young seagull's initial attempts to fly and his first successful flight. Explain. तो इसमें आपने क्या करना है, जो beginning of the story है, जहां पर लिखा है that he had been afraid to fly. He thought that his wings would not support him. The great expanse of the sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would not support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. So initially क्या था? He was only focusing on the failure part of the flight. That how he was so overpowered by his fear. लेकिन जो उसकी सक्सेसफुल फ्लाइट हुई थी, जो एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर में हम समझते हैं दैट पेज नंबर 35 पर ही जो पैराग्राफ है, द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ही फेल्ट हिज विंग्स स्प्रेड आउटवर्ड्स, द विंड रश्ड अगेंस्ट हिज breast feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. He could feel the tip of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. तो जो contrast है, that how he was so fearful in the beginning and how he was finally able to overcome his fear, वो हम explain करेंगे इस question number 3 में. Then question number 4, why was the young seagull exhausted by the strange exercise? So why he was exhausted? Because he was hungry, and second, he was kind of fearful also to make his first flight. All right. Next, long answer type questions में क्या क्या topics हो सकते हैं? Leap of faith, parenting, self belief, and of course a real life experience. So, अब हम आते हैं on the important extracts from this particular chapter. So I want all of you to have your pencils handy, all right, and page number 32 के जो passage है, हम वहां से start करेंगे. So the passage on page number 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th line. The great expanse of the sea stretched down beneath. यहाँ से लेकर आपने अंडरलाइन करना है यहाँ तक. He failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. क्योंकि इस एक्सट्रैक्ट में पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया गया है कि जो सीगल था उसका एग्जैक्टली क्या फियर था टू टेक हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट. ऑलराइट. Then on page number 33, underline, the day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brother and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. इस पैराग्राफ में हमें क्या पता चल रहा है कि जो यंग सीगल था वो किस सिचुएशन में था और उसके जो सिबलिंग्स थे वो अभी तक कैसे विक्टोरियस हो चुके थे. Now we come to page number 34. Underline. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. ये यहाँ से लेकर the sight of the food maddened him. All right. Next paragraph में जो last line है, his mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. यहाँ से लेकर next page में तक आप अंडरलाइन करोगे till within reach of his beak. तो ये टर्निंग पॉइंट है स्टोरी का कि कहाँ पर उसको ऐसा लगता है कि उसकी जो मदर है वो बहुत कंसर्न्ड है और उसको एक खाना लेके आ रही है, बट हाउ शी टर्न्स दैट इनटू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. ऑलराइट. ओके. नेक्स्ट, इसी के साथ एक लाइन छोड़ के, then a monstrous terror seized him and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a minute. The next moment he felt his wings spread outwards. The wind rushed against his breast, and यहाँ से लेकर he was no longer afraid. So this describing the first flight of the young seagull. All right. And इसके बाद जो next paragraph है, then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and he commended himself to dive and soar and curve. All right. And इसी के साथ नेक्स्ट जो लास्ट पैराग्राफ है इसी पेज पर, पेज नंबर 35 पे, his parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped his leg to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. तो जो सी पे सीन था उसको डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. All right, so these are the questions from this chapter, and I've already made you underline the important extracts of this particular story. All right, we will meet in the next session. Till then, do like, share, and subscribe to Educator Prerna. Thank you so much and stay blessed.